Hey everyone, today we are making the behind the scene of our latest fashion presentation. The day kicks off bright and early with our fabulous model preparing for the runway. We had an incredible glam team working their magic to make each model absolutely radiant. Between makeup, hair, and fittings, every detail was perfect, and let me tell you, they looked stunning. Next up, we got to hear from the CEO herself. She shared a bit about the inspiration behind the brand, what makes Limel Finery unique, and the excitement behind this show.
You're at Limel Finery's first ever presentation backstage, and we have some of our models ready. We have Nadej in a Ray dress, and Sarah in Evelina dress, looking stunning, and our lovely Janaya, sorry, my brain is scrambled, in our new Ria dress. And models still getting ready. We have Jacqueline and Srija getting ready. Mariana and Alina still getting ready. And also our lovely Regina on a seat there in our new Darla dress. This is a mess. That interview was a mess, so we need to do that again downstairs when I'm dressed, okay?
Meanwhile, our team was hard at work, getting the room show ready. Every last detail was checked and rechecked, ensuring everything was perfect for the special event.
Behind, walk in the front. Stay. Yeah, they will. So come from behind, walk in the front, stay. Someone else walk. So it's like they're circling the backdrop. And then in the end, they all come in a row and just stand in a row. Stand.
And it's showtime. The CEO, Taiwo herself, kicked things off with a warm welcome, followed by a presentation highlighting the vision behind her collections.
Thank you so much for coming to Limel Finery's SS25 show. I established this brand in 2020 when I discovered that a lot of lace fabrics were made with like the lining of the same color of the lace, and I thought that disrupts the beauty of the fabric, and I wanted it to show the fabric and show the lace, but also enhance the beauty of the wearer. So this brand is not about design and it's not about the dress, it's more about the people that wear it. And that's enhanced by the tassels of the clothes. It enhances the movement of the wearer, so it extends the aura of the person. And so that's what the brand is about, like being a philosophical, if that's how you say the word, person. I wanted to incorporate that into fashion and just celebrate people and see people as their highest self by showing and enhancing them with the fabric. So this is the show. It's gonna be really like short, so really take it in and enjoy it. And then after we have some drinks and just relax. But thank you so much for coming, and I appreciate it. And it's gonna start now. Thank you.
couldn't end the night without a little surprise for the CEO, Taiwo Olukayode. The creative mind behind Lemuel Finery had a birthday and we couldn't let it pass without celebration. Happy birthday, Taiwo.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Now you have to eat all that cake.
Shall I make a wish? Make a wish. Thank you, everyone. Cake.
Thanks for joining us for this behind the scene experience. Here are some of our favorite photos from the event taken by several photographers. If you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give us a like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.